Well, today the sun's out, and what we've done today, we've moved a lot of bees out of the queen area apiary, well what's going to be the queen area apiary, and we've replaced it with all the nooks and bee boxes that we're going to be using for this year. So in total we're gonna have between 60 to 70 hives, and all we're gonna do to stock these is we're gonna bring in 20 packages of bees and 10 nooks. The packages of bees are gonna stock all the Lancrofts, and the 10 nooks that we're gonna bring in are gonna be there to stock all the nationals. The only nationals we're gonna be using this year is the new ones from Base Honey, the two-in-one they call them. And we're going to be using them as brood builders, and we're going to also be using them as what they're actually designed for, is a two-in-one, and to use them as mating nooks. But they're all the bees that we're actually going to have. So in around 3 weeks time, the end of April, the first couple of days of May, we're going to be bringing down the packages, and we're going to be bringing down the nooks that we've been overwintering up at the other apiary. And we're going to be stocking everything that there is here. It's going to take the good part of the summer to actually fill all 60 to 70 bee boxes that we've got, but we are going to stock them, and we're going to divide them up between the brood builders, the cell builders, the mating nooks. By the end of the season, we're going to have everything ready to actually overwinter, so that's going to include everything that we've been using this summer. There's going to be nothing that we're not going to actually put into winter and overwinter. So come next spring, we're not having to restock anything. So if you follow along using whatever equipment you've got, or if you want to go out and buy one or two bits of equipment that we're actually using, come next season you're going to be already there. You're going to have all the bees in all the boxes that you're going to need them to be in, so that you can start your queen rearing off again next year without having to start again from scratch. That's the main problem with a lot of these mini mating nooks. Some people overwinter them, and they overwinter them well, and they're fine. Other people have a lot of problems trying to overwinter these things. In about 3 weeks time, we're going to be starting to stock all these boxes up. We're going to be doing lots of splits, so we're going to be talking here and taking it step by step how to do these splits, how to do them successful, so that you're not doing them too early, too late, so that you can actually get everything through winter. Now, if you've not already subscribed to our videos, please hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell, and you'll get an update every time that we upload a new video.